Hi guys, happy weekend. It's Friday and weekends are for owanbe. Hope we know that. So let's gather here, let's learn this simple head wrap. Okay guys, so I'm working with this material you are seeing with me. Yeah, that's the material I'm using, and I'll quickly divide it into two equal parts, that is 50-50. And after dividing it into two equal parts, I will just start making pleats on my head. Okay, yeah, if you don't know how to make pleats on your head, you can actually make it before putting it on your head, and you can make as many pleats as you want depending on the length of your material. But on this video I think I make like 4 pleats on my head. Okay, so watch my hand closely and see how those pleats are being made. Pleats is very simple to achieve. Yes, people don't really like making pleats and pleats and pleats, but you can do this. Just make like 4 and make sure you get them well aligned and are arranged. So if you want to make a neat pleat, make sure that you arrange it to the level of your hair as seen in this video. You can see I made it for the first one. I use my shoulder to grab it while I work with the other one. After that one, I'm moving backward to, just cross it. I just cross it and I bring both ends forward. All right, after bringing the both ends forward, I pick the first one, and I just make some pleats before putting it on my head. The splits, after you have crossed it and you bring the remaining part forward, the pleat would have even created itself. You just try to arrange it at the way it is being formed, and you place it on your head. Okay, after placing it on my head, you can see I didn't do it to the edge. I don't know if you understand, but if you watch closely you see what I've done. Then I pin that part of my head. The excess, I just turn it back to that place I made, and I pin it down as well. Please focus on this side because I don't know if you are getting that explanation. Then you pleat the other edge. After we are done with that, I think we are done with that place, and that is the beauty of that gele. All right, so the other one, you just pick it up and make same pleats, then you lay it down round to the other side and pin it down. That's the end of this head wrap, guys. So kindly watch closely and see the steps I've used, the way I've done it, and you're going to do it yourself, guys. Trust me. So guys, don't forget to like, share, leave your comment. Do you like it? Are you gonna try it out? Let me know in the comment section. Do share my video so that it will reach more people who want to learn simple head wrap. You can see the back, and there is the front and the final look of the head wrap. Hope you like it, guys. I'll be dropping more for you guys so that you'll be trying different simple and beautiful head wrap to different owanbe. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.